How to factory reset Nintendo Switch. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you're facing some problems on your Nintendo Switch, resetting your Switch console can solve these problems. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can do that. If you want to keep all your data but perform a total reboot of your Switch, then you want to hold the power button for 15 seconds when the system is powered off. Release the power button, then press it to power on. If your console boots, the reset has been completed. This won't wipe your data, but it is a good way of flushing things out of the system. It is going to wipe your Switch completely clean, ready for a new user to set themselves on without access of any of your data. To factory reset, from the console's home menu, you want to select Settings option, then scroll down to System on the left menu bar. Scroll to bottom of these options and select Formatting options. Select Initialize console, then hit the OK option. Wait for the process to erase your data. Once it is over, your console will be like new and all the data will be gone. Back up anything you want to keep before you do this process. And this is how you can factory reset your Nintendo Switch, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.